What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Look, horsepower and massive infotainment screens are cool, but none of that matters if your car can't protect you when things go sideways on the interstate. Federal safety standards just got a whole lot tougher, making it harder than ever for a vehicle to get a perfect score. Today, we're breaking down the absolute safest cars on the road right now, based on the latest, most brutal crash tests. Let's dive right in. First, a quick reality check on why these results matter. The IIHS, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, just raised the bar big time. They updated their tests to focus heavily on how well rear seat passengers are protected during a crash. At the same time, NHTSA is cranking up the pressure on advanced driver assist features. Long story short, if a vehicle made our list today, it didn't just pass, it literally earned its armor. All right, let's start with what dominates American driveways, SUVs. If you're hauling kids, groceries, or road tripping across states, you need a literal fortress on wheels. The team over at Hyundai and Kia are absolutely crushing it. The newly redesigned Hyundai Santa Fe and their massive electric flagship, the Kia EV9, both walked away with the highest possible IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award and a flawless 5-star overall safety rating from NHTSA. And if you want a rugged, all-American electric machine, the Rivian R1S completely aced the NHTSA rollover resistance tests, thanks to its heavy battery pack keeping it planted. It's tough, it's fast, and it's incredibly safe for the family. Now, what if you don't need a massive third-row SUV? What if you just want a reliable, smart daily commuter that saves you cash at the pump? You already know we have to talk about America's favorite midsize sedan, the Toyota Camry. Toyota gave it a fresh update, and the IIHS confirmed it remains the gold standard for sedan safety, easily grabbing that top-tier Pick Plus designation. It proved that you don't need a massive tank of a vehicle to get elite-level protection on your morning commute. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, do I have to spend 50 grand just to stay safe? Absolutely not. Safety shouldn't be a luxury feature. Some budget-friendly rides just prove they can fight way above their weight class. Take a look at the Mazda 3 and the Hyundai Kona. The Kona is officially one of the most affordable small SUVs to grab the Top Safety Pick Plus badge. Hyundai made their advanced front crash prevention tech standard across all trims, meaning it watches your back without forcing you to pay for an expensive upgrade. At the end of the day, automakers are stepping up because our roads are getting crazier and distracted driving is at an all-time high. Whether it's the morning school drop-off or a cross-country trip, these vehicles give you the best odds of walking away from the unthinkable. So I want to hear from you guys. Does a crash test rating actually influence your next car purchase, or are you more focused on styling and tech? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.